Using a 19mm socket, remove your right front wheel. Repeat for the driver's side. Let's go ahead and release our little tabs on our covers here. Go ahead and lift this up. And go ahead and lift up on the other side here. Pull this up and out. We'll set these aside. I'm going to go ahead and remove our strut tower brace. I'm going to use a 13mm socket. Move the 3 on this side. I'm going to go ahead and remove this 10mm here. And on the back side, there's a 10mm right here. On the back passenger side, there's a 10 here. Let's go ahead and lift this up. You're going to find your upper O2 sensor connector right here. Press down on this tab. Disconnect the connector. Let's go ahead and lower down our O2 socket with an extension. Let's go ahead and loosen this. Once that's loose, we can go ahead and reach down and unthread this here. Grab that wire and just feed it to the top, that way it doesn't get caught on anything while you're unthreading that. Unthread it all, remove it. Go ahead and lower our center down. And when threading this in, you normally want to rotate the wiring harness with it. You don't want it to bind up. Once you've got that threaded in as far as you can by hand, go ahead and take your O2 socket. Go ahead and get that snug down. Now we have a crush washer that we would need to make sure that it's crushed and seated properly. So just go ahead and snug that down pretty good. And I'll go ahead and take the connector, bring that around, and plug that into the main connector here. Press it until you hear it click. Now installing your strut tower brace here, I'm going to go ahead and get everything lined up. We want to get all of our bolts and nuts set into place. You don't want to torque these down until the vehicle has all the tires on it, and go ahead and lower it down to the ground on level ground. And install our 10mm bolts on the back on the passenger side here. And repeat for the driver's side. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. Get our lug nuts all started by hand first, and then we'll snug those down. We'll go ahead and torque our lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Now that the vehicle has the wheels on it and it's on level ground, we're going to go ahead and tighten down all of our torque strut components. Install our little hose bracket right here.